Okay, so this will be the last video lecture for the final term, and it's all about the basic skills in volleyball. Okay, so are you ready to venture into the world of sports? Activity time, wag na to. O, alam niyo naman kung sino yan. Who is that? He is the face of volleyball here in the Philippines. We have Eliza Valdez. But if you will ask me who is the strongest player in volleyball here in the Philippines, but sadly to say, she is not already, I mean, in women's division, she is not already a Filipina. She is already converted from being a Filipina into a Japanese. She is Elijah Daphne A. Santiago or Jaja Santiago from National University. He created her name in Japan by being the um, ilang consecutive na yun, times that she was declared as the best middle blocker in Japan. Okay? She is now, ano na pangalan niya? Minowa? Sachi Minowa in Japan. Mrs. Jaja Minowa. Sachi Minowa. 6 basic fundamental skills in volleyball. We have number 1, serving. So what is serving? A service in volleyball is the act of hitting the ball to start a rally, typically from behind the end line of the court, aiming to send the ball over the net into opponent's court. So in service class, it is very important not to step on the line. Kasi pag inapakan mo yung linya doon sa end line, okay, kasi di ba pag nag-service ka doon ka sa dulo ng volleyball court, pag napakan mo yung linya doon, it is considered violation. So, make sure, be conscious in stepping or in, yes, lalo na yung mga nag-jump serve, minsan naapakan nila yon causing them to commit error. Okay, there are different types of service in volleyball. Yung kay Valdez dito is what we call the overhead serve. Why? Because yung bola niya pataas. Tamaan niya sa taas. We have your underhand serve, yung nasa baba, tapos tatamaan mo yung bola. You can do that also. But athletes like them, they usually do the jump serve, okay, float serve, because these are offensive service. Okay, mahirap silang i-receive. Yung sinasabi nga nila na gamble sa service, high risk, high reward. Kumbaga, kung sobrang lakas yung bigay mo, pwedeng mag-out. Pero kapag sobrang lakas din yung palo mo, pwedeng hindi ma-receive, resulting to ace on your scores. Kaya nga nila pinapractice mag-service because service can be offensive also. Okay? Next one is setting. Okay, setting is one of the basic skills that volleyball players have to develop. Setting means the beginning of an attack in volleyball. Initially, a setter sets the ball. After that, a hitter carries out an attack hit. Clearly, a setter works closely with a hitter on the court during the game. As I've mentioned a while back dun sa isa kong video, that setting is very crucial. If you are a good setter, then you can create plays inside the court. Um, because out of 6 players inside the court, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it can be 4 attackers there. Kasi yung dalawa, you as the setter, you set the ball, then yung pang-anim can be a libero or defensive specialist. Ngayon, if you are a good setter, you should you can orchestrate the ball in a very decisive way. Okay? Yung tipong akala mo ibibigay mo sa gitna, then binigay mo dun sa opposite. Or akala mo ibibigay mo dun sa opposite, then binigay mo sa gitna. Okay? Pag kasi ganun, the blockers of other teams and the receiver of your opponent teams will guess kung sino yung papalo. Okay? So kapag marunong ka, decisive kang setter, mahirap kang bantayan, mahirap kang basahin, mahirap hulihin yung play ninyo. And here, according here, that setter should work closely to his hitters. Kasi each hitters, there are different, they have different prescribed set for them. May mga attackers na gusto ang sibat, yung mabilis ang bola, yung mababa na mabilis yung bola. May mga attackers naman na yung bola gusto niyang dikit sa net or minsan ayaw niyang dikit sa net. Okay? May mga attackers din na ang gusto is yung high ball. Okay? So, as a setter, you need to learn what are the sets for different attackers of your team. Okay? Next is we have digging or receiving. Okay? It is the most critical. kung, kung ang setter is the most crucial, digging is the most critical naman. Why? Because you cannot set the ball without a good receive. It is the most critical part on an offensive play, and learning how to anticipate and react to a serve is a key element to staying on top. If you play digging, receiving correctly, you can more effectively transition into offense to give your team an advantages. Okay, or advantage. Why? Kung sa players ng volleyball, there are attackers. Specialized for opposite, middle, and open. All players should be a good receiver and digger. Okay? Kasi when you receive, ang mindset natin, di ba, kapag naglalaro tayo ng volleyball, okay na yung tinamaan natin yung bola. No. In volleyball class, you should send the ball to the setter. Para yung setter, hindi na tumakbo. Para yung setter, makagawa na siya ng play. If sa team, hindi kayo magaling mag-receiver, then you cannot create a play. Kaya nga ang sabi dito, the most critical part an offensive plan. Once you misreceive the first ball, then the setter will going to find it very difficult to set the ball kung sino yung papalo. But once that you receive the ball correctly, accurately, sending the ball sa setter mismo, then the setter can create an option, can decide, can be decisive kung saan niya dadalhin yung bola niya. So less effort dun sa setter. So a good volleyball player knows how to dig. Pero usually ang gumagawa nito is receiver specialist or liberos. Okay? The next one, passing. Okay, passing is when you making a first contact as the ball comes over the net, whether you receiving the serve, playing a free ball, or defending on attack, you want to pass the ball to your teammates to help your team create an attack. Okay, ano ang pinagkaiba ng receive sa passing? Okay, usually digging is from an attack. Passing is from service. Okay, if the ball doesn't really goes to your court na sobrang baba, you can do it. You can use the term passing. Passing is almost the same kasi siya ng digging eh. It's just that digging is it is more difficult, basic skills, fundamental skills of volleyball compared to passing. Okay? Yun siya. It's either free ball dito or service. Next is spiking. Okay? When you are attacking, the ball, you have to be ready by being further away from the location you want to spike so that you can make an approach. Your approach will be 3 steps, then a jump. So you need to be far enough back from the net to accommodate that. Because yung 3 steps na sinasabi natin, class, dun ka kukuha ng power mo. Kasi kapag tumalon ka, kung saan ka nakatayo, walang masyadong power doon. Kahit sa middle nga minsan tumatakbo pa rin sila, may 3 steps pa rin sila kapag maganda yung set talaga. Sa attacking kasi, class, you need to execute that, to exert power para magkaroon ka ng parang salida in Ilocano, magkaroon ka ng puwersa bago mo paluin yung bola. Okay? So, yung dito sa picture natin, she is a back row player. So, galing siya dito sa likod. So, kapag naapakan niya to before her flight, that is considered violation already. Okay? So, make sure na kapag back row player ka, dapat hindi mo apakan tong attack line na to. Okay? The next one, ayan si Jaja sa Japan. Ito number 3. Santiago pa lang siya dito eh. Ngayon kasi Minowa na siya. Okay? Here, blocking class has two goals: denying your opponent's attack, and when it fails, limiting where the attack can go. Blocking is the only way to stop the attack given by the other court. In order not to make any point, you have to stop the ball through blocking. Blocking is a defensive skills in volleyball that also very difficult to execute. Actually, kapag nakaka-block ako sa volleyball noon, mas nagse-celebrate ako compared kapag nakaka-attack ako successfully. Because it's very satisfying that you see, I mean, nakita mo yung kalaban mo na na-disappoint kasi na-block mo siya. Blocking is very important also in volleyball. Kapag nag-fail yung blocking mo at hindi mo successful kill block, kumbaga yung bumagsak yung bola sa court ng kalaban mo, at least kapag naka-block ka, it can limit also the potential of your opponent. Minsan nakaka-demoralize siya, minsan hindi niya nalalam kung saan dadalhin kasi nga marunong kang mag-block. Kaya nahirapan silang gumawa ng options. Okay, so